This video is to set the date and time on a Notifier 320 system. As you can see, the current time is 9:11 a.m. and the date is July 1st, 2023 on a Tuesday. It's actually Monday, June 24th, and the time is 7:47. To set the time, start by pressing the Enter key. You're going to go into the programming, which is selection 1. Use not the programmer password, use the user password, typically all ones. Press Enter. You're in programming mode. Panel's going to beep in trouble because you're in programming mode. Selection 5 is for time. So you want to set the time to 07:47. Scroll over. It's Monday, so you can use the previous and next buttons here to scroll through the days. Monday, 06, 24, 24, 2024. Press Enter when you're done. You can escape back out of the menu, and now it should be displaying the correct date and time.